In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to bring elements to back in Figma. Now, doing so is incredibly easy, and this does work for shapes, text, icons, or any other elements that you might have in your document. What the send to back feature does is it basically takes the element that you want sent to back and it pushes it as far back as possible within your document. So if you have like multiple layers of text, it'll push it right to the back. So how do you actually go about doing so? Click on the element you want to push to back. So in this case, I'm going to push to back this square right here behind this text. Right click and look for send to back. As you can see, that was very easy, and now the text is behind hey. Now it's worth mentioning that there's also a shortcut that you can do this with. So as you can see, it's open bracket to send to back and close bracket to bring to front. So let's just try that one quickly. So close bracket brings it to front, open bracket pushes it to back. And as you can see, it really is that simple. Once you do learn the shortkeys, you don't need to go around clicking and trying to find the exact setting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you send text to back in Figma. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will catch you in the next one.